Over the years, blogging has been a widely popular strategy used by both seasoned pros and new entrepreneurs alike as a method of generating instant cash while building an online brand quickly and easily. With blogging, there is no steep learning curve, and all coding, HTML, and web development is minimized, allowing even the novice of users to create feature-laden, enhanced websites in a matter of minutes. It's therefore no real surprise that every day thousands of new blogs appear online, plugging into built-in popularity of platforms like WordPress and Blogger. In fact, according to www.technorati.com, who tracks over 113 million blogs online within their free community, there are over 175,000 new blogs published each and every day. From within those blogs, over 1.6 million new posts are submitted online, which equates to about 18 new posts every second of the day. Pretty impressive stats. It's obvious that blogging can be exceptionally lucrative, regardless of industry or niche, and with such a fast-track method of building entire websites with a few clicks of the mouse, it's also one of the easiest methods of developing an online presence with very little effort or startup costs. In fact, with a single domain name and a hosting account, you can have your very own dynamic website, complete with all the bells and whistles, while only spending a few minutes building, customizing, and optimizing every square inch. In the Internet marketing world, names like Scott Allen and Yaro Starak have attracted attention, providing an ongoing case study into the world of profitable and professional blogging. People have replicated the format that people like Scott, Yaro, and countless other high-paid blogging professionals have used to jumpstart their own networks and capitalize on the popularity of blogging. So, how can you set up your own profitable blogging network using existing tools and resources online, while sucking in consistent, targeted traffic that will convert into buyers? It all starts here. In this Blogging Guru video series, you will discover exactly how to construct your own high-profit blog from the ground floor up, so that it is fully optimized and targeted to your niche. Even if you've never done it before, just by following my step-by-step formula to creating fully monetized blogs using proven strategies, you can begin to make money in a matter of a few short days. It's an exciting opportunity to finally take control of your own financial future. So without further delay, let's get right to it. Finding your niche market. Every website needs a focus, and every blog needs a theme. In order to develop an active community of your own, before you begin setting up your blog, you need to determine what your overall objective and goals will be, along with your intended focus. Many bloggers make the mistake of jumping right into the development phase, eager and excited about the possibilities of creating the next big website or igniting a popular community based on their current interests or niche markets. But what they fail to do is thoroughly evaluate a niche's profitability before they spend time creating a website around it. Before you even register a domain name or set up hosting, you should identify what your market is so that you can develop a website from the ground floor up, focusing on a specific target audience. By doing this, you will be able to construct a website that centers around an existing group of buyers, people who will visit your website frequently to explore new content, updates, and purchase products from your featured sponsors and advertisers. Niche research is exceptionally easy, even if you haven't done it before. Just by using existing tools and resources online, you will be able to determine the viability of a market quickly and easily. One fast-track strategy of exploring potential niche topics is by using the Google Trends tool, available at www.google.com/trends. With Google Trends, you are able to keep your ear to the ground and determine common trends, hot topics, and popular subject matter. Another great method of combining both market research and product research is by using the ClickBank Marketplace, available at www.clickbank.com. Within just a few minutes of browsing potential categories, not only can you come up with a profitable market, but you can create a swipe file of high-end affiliate products that you can promote throughout your blog network. Two birds with one stone. Visit www.clickbank.com and click on the Marketplace tab to load up the available category options. If you are already considering a specific niche market, you can browse through current products and keep notes of the ones that interest you, so you can explore them later when we begin to add affiliate products to specific areas of our blog. In my example, I have entered in keyword phrase wedding planning, as I intend to create a blog on this topic. I used quotations around my keywords to ensure that it brings up more accurate results. Very important, otherwise anything using the keyword wedding or planning would appear. After viewing the Marketplace results window, I can then click on the Create Hoplink link and generate a custom affiliate link to use on my blog. If you are unsure of the topic you want your blog to be focused on, simply spend some time browsing through the categories and subcategories to get an idea of what is currently selling. When it comes to ready-made promotional material that you can use on your blog, most merchants will provide promotional resources, including banner ads, email ads, and even articles. So always check the merchant's website for additional tools that you can use in promotions. When you begin to scout out solid affiliate products to promote, you want to pay attention to a few factors, including the commission percentage you are being offered, the price of the product itself, the freshness of the product, based on when it was released to avoid market saturation, the demand of the product, and ultimately how well the product converts a visitor into a buyer. The gravity rating in clickbank.com is an estimate of the most recent sales for a particular product. The higher the gravity rating, the more popular the product is among affiliates who are promoting it. That's the critical aspect of selecting a product to promote within clickbank.com. You always want to ensure that the product you are promoting actually converts, so that you are using valuable space so that it maximizes your income. An example of a high-gravity product found within ClickBank Marketplace could be titled, "Convert your car to burn water and gasoline equals double your mileage." You can see the gravity in the green link located below the title reads 521.18. Scout out the marketplace for higher gravity products to promote. Typically, when you do such a general search, the products with higher gravity will appear first in search results. There are other affiliate marketplaces that can help you both in selecting a niche topic and in locating additional products to promote. Some of these marketplaces include AssociatePrograms.com, CJ.com, ShareSale.com, ClickBank.com, and Pay.com.com. Just be sure to take notes of the products that you intend to promote so that you can refer to your swipe file later when we begin to add in affiliate products once our blog has been developed.